How to find Fishing Planet promo codes. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. If you want to get Fishing Planet promo codes, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to fishingplanet.valuecom.com. On this website, you're going to find different deals that you can get. Now simply scroll down and find the deal which is best for you. As you can see, here are different deals such as 40% off, free shipping and 35% off. Go ahead and click on the get deal option. Now some deals will have promo code, others will directly take you to the website and you can use the discounts. Now from this website you can find different promo codes for Fishing Planet. Another way is to search for Fishing Planet promo codes, then click on this link which is Fishing Planet Codes Wiki. On this page, you're going to find a promo code over here. Simply copy this. Now you can redeem this in the Fishing Planet website. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.